Good morning. We continue with our examples. So letter B. So we have a benzene. So show the probable major products from the reaction of. So this one is a benzene with a methyl. So that would be a toluene. So for the parent, and this actually is a methyl and oxygen. So this would be as an attachment to this, meaning a substituent. That would be a methyl methoxy. So this one is a methoxy, methoxytoluene. So two methoxytoluene. So this would be carbon number one since this is the parent. So carbon number one, carbon number two. So this two methoxytoluene reacting with your alkyl halide and probably an a uh, nitric acid. So there are two problems for letter B. So, but anyway, they can solve the same. I will try. Insert, I'll draw. So usually the products from this, we look back at our cheat sheet. Where is our cheat sheet? There's our cheat sheet. This is we look for it in the cheat sheet. So actually I'm looking at the benzene. So is it bromination, chlorination? No. Reacting with your, I think that is alkyl. The last that we've solved, that is alkyl halide. So that is, where was it? Friedel acylation, I think. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So you have an alkyl. So this one is a methyl, but again, it could be true for any primary alkyl halide. So, um, and that is a alkyl halide. The, I mean, alkyl halide. Um, what was the reactant once again? The reactant is CH3CH2. So it's an ethane, a chloroethane, which is a primary alkyl halide. So we use this one. So benzene, it will just give us that alkyl. Okay? So it will just give us that alkyl. So as I've said, there would be how much? One of your the probable, one of the probable again, uh, one of the probable would be first we will copy this one from the cheat sheet. It it looks like you could attach here the CH to CH3 or here or here or here. So there are four answers for this. Of course, that would be if this is your parent. So this would be your parent number one. And for the number two rule, um, methoxy versus an ethane ethyl. So that would be first. This would be number two because that is methoxy. So this one etoxy. So rule number two, when we have the same number two branching, so you could opt for the alphabetical order. So that would be a two ethyl, two ethyl, uh, 1 2 3 4 5 5 methoxy, six, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 methoxy, 6 methoxy toluene. So that's the name of this first product. If your CH to CH3 will attach to this side without this, of course, since there will be only one mole of CH3 CH2 or alkyl ethyl, so that would be a 3. No. Since we have already this is already further, so this would be number 2. Okay? So 1, 2, so that would be a 2 ethoxy. 2 ethoxy dash 3. So again, number 2, would this be the number 2 since the second rule for naming is of course the branching. Since from the first get-go, we have number 2, both of them are number 2, so we choose now the third rule which is the alphabetical order. So now we choose number 2 here since branching is um, is more important than the by letters. So that would be 2-ethoxy 3-ethyl 3, so this is capital, ethoxy 3-ethyl ethyl toluene. Okay, if I'll attach the ethyl here, that would be 2 and 4, 2 3 4, so that would be 2 4, same 2-ethoxy ethyl toluene. If I attach it here, so that would be 2 and then 3, sorry, 2 6, 2 6, this one is a 2 3 4 5, so this one is a 2 5, this is wrong, 2 5, 2 5 2 4, and then you have 2 3, okay, 2 3 ethyl ethyl toluene, and so on and so forth. Okay, the same. So you have 4 possible products. So the real product, of course, let us leave it to the chemist. Okay, so we would just rely on the cheat sheet, not really on the details of that. But of course, if you will dig deep, you will know for certain which of these. There are some that has even 2 products, meaning 2 of this. So we're just saying that these are the probable products. So if one of these would be your answer, if ever this is given as a quiz, then I could still give you a credit of um, a perfect score for this. Okay? Thank you guys for listening. May I cup?